that would look like is simply writing a petition. You can write a petition to a deity or spirit, or just simply write intentions to, for example, if this is something that you need healing. Hello, beautiful creatures. Welcome to my channel. I am Meridia, the Witch of Dark Light, and I hope you all are doing well. This video is going to be about something else that you can add, if you don't already know, to your arsenal of things that you can use for protection. I'm excited to share this with you because I don't see a lot of people talk about it. And that is alum. Sometimes you'll see when you go to a botanica, it'll say alumbre, but this is alum and it has a plethora of things that you could use it for. So let's get into it. Before I start, I wanted to light some Palo Santo since we're talking about protection. Okay. Yeah. Alum. First, let's talk about how it's used medicinally. There is a long list of things, and I'm not going to go over all of them, but I will, in the description below, put a link to a video that goes over all of the things that you can use alum for medicinally. But some of those things are properties in alum. Is anti-inflammatory, and it also helps with heart disease, and it is consumed also when you have a cold, for its anti-inflammatory properties to aid in healing. It is also used because it is known for its ability to speed up healing. It is also used for rashes, burns, and cuts. So the list goes on with how this alum is used. And when you purchase alum, it usually comes in a rock, and it looks like selenite, if you know anything about selenite. I have it here in crushed. It's crushed alum. I wanted to get it that way, but I think I also will purchase the rock, and I'll share with you why in a moment. But that is some of the ways that it is used medicinally. It is also used in a lot of cosmetic products for skin and hair, and even in toothpaste. So I will be checking the labels going forward to just because out of curiosity. Let's get into the metaphysical ways in spirituality that you can use alum. So in Africa, alum is very popular. It is used for a couple of things, but one of the things I thought was interesting is because keeping your virginity is something for women over there that is something that is of high importance. So a lot of women, it is thought that if you consume the alum, it will purify your womb and make you give you back your virginity. So over there, they also use it in the way of protecting you from like evil spirits, or cleansing you from anything unwanted. And the way that they do that is they'll take the rock and just go across your body, rubbing it across your body. And you go through the whole process of visualizing yourself being cleansed. You speak to the spirits, your guides, the deities as you're doing this, and cleanse your body with the alum. It looks like selenite, so I would think it's used in the same way, where if this rock is something that you use all the time to help cleanse yourself, that maybe over time it needs to be cleansed. That's just my thought process. Yeah, so that's one of the ways that they use it. Another way that it is used is in bath water for cleansing. So it's used for a cleansing bath, right? You just sprinkle some alum in your water, and has dual purposes, right? It has several things that it can do. It cleanses your body, it purifies your body, helps heal your body, and it's good for the skin. Another way that you can use it is you place the rock under your pillow so that it can absorb anything negative, especially if you're having nightmares. When you are asleep, you have nightmares or you're in the astral, there's a certain frequency, even though you're asleep, that is going on that you are resonating with. So this is my thought process. During that time, the energy of or frequency from the alum is helping to purify those energies. So I currently have a stick of selenite under my pillow, and I change out things like not too long ago I had a onyx spear under my pillow because I felt like I needed to go to battle or something, because I was having a lot of I was doing a lot in the astral. But you can, when you purchase the alum in the rock form, you can place that under your pillow if you feel like it's something that you need, because you're having nightmares or you feel like you need to be protected in your sleep. Another way, which is the way that I'm going to use it, since I have it in the crushed form, I am going to place it around the perimeter of my home inside. And because it is relatively safe to consume, it is great, but please do your due diligence first. Make sure it is 100% okay. If you have pets and children. But I am going to change out. I currently have my protection herbs going around my home and my windowsills. Excuse me. And I'm going to change that out because it doesn't look pretty. And the alum it looks like salt. So my windowsills are white. And it just looks cleaner. So I'm going to it's time to redo that anyway. So as a form of protection, I'm going to sprinkle some alum on my windowsills throughout the perimeter of my home. You can also place it outside around a perimeter of your home. Treat it like you would salt. So if you're one of those witches that casts circles and uses salt as a barrier protection, you can now try some alum, if this is something you don't already do or already know about. Another way that I think is good to use it for is putting it in mojo bags or charm bags. Two reasons. One, because of its healing properties, and the other for protection and purification. So what that will look like is simply writing a petition that you can write a petition to a deity or spirit, or just simply write intentions to, for example, if this is something that you need healing, and you write your petition out, that, not petition, you write your intention out on the piece of paper, that you're setting intention for healing in your body, wherever, if it's a specific place in your body, you write that out, and then you sprinkle some alum on that paper, fold it up and place it in a charm bag, and carry that with you on your body. And it's best to make sure that it's like touching your skin to absorb your energy and frequency and vibration. So that is a great way to use it. And in the same way, if you feel like you need to use it for protection or purifying you, banishing anything on your body that was sent to you. Do the same thing. Write those intentions and put the alum in the paper, fold it up and put it in the bag. So, and along with other things as well, especially if you're creating a bag for protection, you want to like put a few things in that bag. But yeah, so I thought this was something great to add to the arsenal of protection. So if you have any questions, let me know. The word of the day, or the word for this video, if you made it this far, I love you, first of all. In the comments, put the word alum. So that is it for this video today. I love you all, and into the shadows.